All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the image quality on an EOS RP Canon. All right, so we got to turn it on. We've got to go to the menu here. So we got it on the on position, we hit menu. And it brings us right to wherever you left off on your navigation, but I've got it on first icon, first page. And guess what? The first thing on the first page is image quality. So to open that up, we're going to click here. Now, if you look here, you've got RAW. That's where I've got it set right now. That's the largest file. I mean, that's the biggest you can shoot. I have it set on no JPEG, but you could shoot two. If you wanted to shoot a RAW file and a JPEG file, you could do that. So you have two of them. All you got to do is just click right there. And then if I hit set and I go back here, you're going to see it says RAW and large JPEG. But I really don't want to do that. Let's open that again. I just want to shoot one file. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now, let's say you're shooting a lot and it's not something that you're doing, that you're going to sell and you want to, just shoot some JPEGs. Well, what you could do is click here. Now you're off RAW and you could go to the large JPEG, or you could go a medium one or whatever. And then you just hit there, and then you're going to see here in image quality, it's going to show you shooting a large JPEG. But I don't want to do that. I want to keep it in RAW and I want to keep it on 1. Because the more, if you shoot 2, you're going to have more on your card. You're going to take up more space. When you shoot RAW, you can have a lot more flexibility in post-production afterwards. So as you can see, it's pretty big right here, it's telling you. And if you're cool with that, then you just hit this and you're good. Bam, you're shooting RAW. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this camera. Peace out.